We're leaving our 1963 Honda Super Cub at the safekeeping of the Vice World Museum. What's the significance of this motorcycle? It featured in National Geographic. You can read for yourself. This is the Honda that is associated with the concept of Honda Rust in Vietnam. The consequence of IRRI, the release of IRRI, and its descendants. So it was 1960s model Honda Super Cubs that farmers in Vietnam invested in once they had the money. So this motorcycle will stay at IRRI, hopefully be cleaned a little before it goes on display, and hence Sue and I and the boys will always have an attachment with IRRI as a result. That's the deed of donation.
This is really great. 1963?
1963. So it's predates the release of the IRA.
But 1965, when I was 14 years old, these were coming out into the U.S. market, and you could, and I did, go rent these by the hour and drive around town. You didn't require a driver's license, and you didn't require a helmet. All you needed was $2.50 for an hour to drive this thing around, which I used to do on regular occasions. So the keys, please. So this will go on display at the Rice World. I think it's a very, very appropriate donation. I don't think it needs to be cleaned up at all. I think it's maybe get a few grains stuck on the greasy oil there. And Sue, I'd like to compliment you on your care for it. It's very good. So thank you very much.
How come you're always wearing that hat?
Fashion statement, Dad.
Take off the hat, boy.
Look, he's a beatnik. You go get a haircut.
Right now.
I was afraid this moment would come.
Well, what'll it be, Sonny?
Just a little off the top, sir.
Sure thing. There you go. What do you think?
What the hell did you do to my head?
Oh, that'll be $5, please. And here's the sucker.
Isn't that boy back from the barber yet?
I heard him sneaking around in his bedroom.
Bart! Front and center!
I'll take it off, but you all gotta promise you won't laugh, okay? Promise?
We promise.
boy.
Yeah, Bart.
Bart!
What?
Move it.
Say, this ain't bad. Fresh air, beads of sweat. I can dig it. Pit stop. Afternoon, Mr. Chupo. I'm here for my daily candy bar fix. Today, I think I shall have a chocolate cover.
Door's closed, kid. Now scram.
Hey, you're not Mr. Chupo.
I said scram.
Wait a minute. I demand the right to be served.
Congratulations, boy. You just earned yourself a big reward.
All I wanted was a measly candy bar.
Here we have Bart Simpson, the young lad who captured the notorious candy store bandit. How does it feel to be a hero, Bart?
Pretty damn good, Phil.
Your family must be proud of you right now.
I bet they're jumping up and down.
And the $10,000 reward.
10,000, big one! I love you, son!
What are you going to do with all that money?
I don't want the money. That's why I've asked for the reward to be paid in candy bars.
What will your family think?
The instructors are amazing. They're top-notch. They treat everybody like family, whether it's the kids or the adults.
Both Professor Hipposo and I, we're helping them achieve their goals. Whatever it is, if it's confidence, self-defense, if it is to be world-class competitors or just a hobbyist, just to have accountability, come in here for weight loss, to give something new and positive in their life.
The kids love it here. Just watching the boys really grow in confidence, at the same time realizing that discipline is required.
He's learning respect, and he's learning some self-defense too, so that's really good.
My oldest one, she was having some trouble in school with some bullying, so we started her for self-confidence. The youngest one's just always been active, and she's never really found her niche, so we figured some martial arts training would help. It's benefited both of them.
You get a lot of fundamentals and you learn a lot about self-defense, and it really helps character and your personality.
They are really great with their kids. They're open, they're honest, they're very easy to talk to.
It keeps you fit, and now I can defend myself if somebody wanted to come up and grab me or fight me.
Coach Jim and Professor Raposo are extremely patient. They have a lot of knowledge.
Yeah, I'm a kid from Brazil. My black belt experience, 18 years practicing jiu-jitsu, 8 years teach classes. It's a good experience for me and for students too.
On the atmosphere, it's very family oriented. No one's competing against each other. Everyone helps lift everyone.
Our facility here is the best one on the coast. It's got a sprung floor that is the softest and the safest floor around.
Compared to the gyms I've been to, this is by far one of the cleanest gyms I've been at.
Join us for a class here at American Martial Art Academy, Soul Fighters Golf Course.
Welcome.
American Martial Art Academy in D'Iberville. Call us today to schedule your free class.
So, Modern Family. This is the first Emmy win and second nomination for Gail Mancuso. This is only the second time a woman has won the Emmy for Best Comedy Directing.
Yes. Oh my God, this is the happiest night of my life. Not only am I here to celebrate with my modern family, but my real family are here tonight. My loving husband, Brian, thank you so much. I love you so much. My kids, JR and Jeremy and Michelle, they came with me and made an amazing playlist for us to listen in the car. And on the way home, I'm telling you, we're not going to be playing any poker face, only blurred lines. Woo! Couple of shout outs to my favorite teachers. I had an 8th grade teacher, Mr. Bright, who taught me that it wasn't only about English and math, that he taught me about self-confidence. Thank you. And thank you to Mom and Dad for letting me watch all the Hitchcock I ever wanted.